Welcome to Fencepost Fig. So we've got a lot of projects going on right now. As you can see behind me, it is a complete mess. But one of the first projects I plan on doing, and I put this on my shorts just for a quick preview, here. Now what I plan on doing is I got a bunch of blueberries and they were not really doing too well. They're doing all right where I've got them, but it's just not contained enough. I got them in the ground, so it's not a contained enough environment to really monitor their acid levels. And I really want to move them into this bed, which has honestly been kind of a mishmash things right now. I got a volunteer white peach tree over here that was from white peach tree we had before. One of the squirrels planted it over here. I let it grow up and fruit this year to see if it was worth saving, and it is worth saving. Those white peaches are pretty freaking good. Oh man, especially when they're in the summer sun, you know, heated up. Oh, right off the tree. Oh man, so refreshing after a day's work. So I got some calla lilies in there. I got these guys are what's left over from my carrots from the year before this last year. I got peppermint growing in here too. I got a giant rosemary right here. Oh my gosh, the thing is huge. It's doing all right, but it's huge. I got onions and garlic growing in there. I got some thyme. I think I even got some basil still growing in it. But it is a mess, overgrown with these weeds and just, oh, it's horrible. Horribly neglected. This is gonna be like the third time I clean this bed up, but I'm gonna try and keep on it this time. So I'm gonna put in, I got these blueberry plants right here to put in. These are only my new blueberry plants. My other blueberry plants across the yard, I got 5 of them, and then I got 4 here, so I got 9 in total going in. So 9 blueberry plants, plus I got a couple of gardenias that have been sitting here in pots. I'm gonna put those in there. They love acid. Plus, if you look over here on this side of the poor neglected yard, we've got my Camellia sinensis over here. There, you can kind of see them over there. I got 2 of them, and are a type of camellia you can make tea out of. They make green tea, white tea, oolong tea, all out of the same plant, depending on where you get the leaves and what time you're harvesting. So they like acid too. So I'm gonna get those over there, start making my own teas. It'll be pretty cool. Dry them out and see what I can do, different mixes and such. So I think that should pretty much fill up our bed. I don't even know if I'll have enough room for everything, but we'll see. We'll see what we got. I'm gonna clear everything out, pull all the dirt out of the whole thing, and just start fresh. Because those calla lilies, every time I dig, I find calla lily bulbs. They spread so much. We're gonna keep them though. We're just gonna move them to another part of the yard because they're really pretty, deep purple, really pretty, look great in cut in vases. And like I said, I really want to save this white peach here. Oh man, they're delicious. But it is so like established in that bed that I'm gonna have to take out the whole freaking, all the dirt. I'm gonna start on the other side, I figure, and come over. That way I'll just start uncovering the roots as I find them. I'll probably find roots all the way across, to tell you the truth. So that'll be pretty extensive. But I'm hoping I can get it out in good condition, because like I said, they're really good white peaches, and I'd love to keep that tree moving. So anyway, first big project after the projects I'm already working on. But here's hoping. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I think it's gonna be well worth it.